think I heard mostly yeses, and that is awesome. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice counting with some dice and some cars. So that means we're going to have a race, and we're going to have to see who wins the trophy. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so you have two choices. You can just count along with Mrs. Huey if you would like, or you can have your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. And you can have your own racetrack. That's right. Just a go and a stop and 1 through 10. And of course, you'll need something to race, either little cubes or little toys. These are little Hatchimals, or a paper clip, whatever you have available. You would need 4 of those. Okay? So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We're going to practice counting by rolling the dice and moving our pieces to see who will win, and we will have to find out who will be the ultimate winner at the end. And when we get to the star, we will be all done. So let's go.
Okay, friends, here we go. It is race time. If you have a racetrack and you have something to move, like either like a cube or a little toy that you'll be able to count up, go ahead and have those ready. All right, but I'm going to move them out of our way because we have our awesome racetrack here. Okay, our first 2 racers. Ooh, it's going to be blue versus red. Okay, blue car versus red car. And we are going to go with just blue. We're going to go with blue is going to go first. All right, here we go. Rolling the dice. Ooh, okay, what number? Ooh, you got it. 4. Okay, here we go, friends. Let's count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, blue is definitely in the lead. Here we go. Next one. Ah, 0. Red got 0. Does he get to move at all? No, he does not get to move. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's crazy. Here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. What did blue get? 4 again. Okay, we have to count up 4 more. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Okay, friends, who is winning so far? Blue or red? You're right. Blue is way ahead of red. Okay, let's see if red gets another number, if anything but 0. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Red does not get to move again. Red got 0. Wow. Okay, here we go. Let's roll it. Up, and blue got 5. And guess what? We'll start counting. 1, 2. But guess what? He already made it to 10. So blue is the winner of this race. Okay, so let's move our winner over here because he has to compete for the next. He has to compete against the next one. Okay, we have 2 more racers ready. Here we go. We're going to have purple versus green. Okay, so purple versus green. And whoever wins this one will challenge blue for the trophy. Okay, here we go. And since this side went last time first, we're going to have this side go first. So green, you will go first. Okay, so if you have your own sheets, make sure you clear it off and put your 2 new people or objects, whatever you're counting. Okay, here we go. Ooh, okay, green. What number did green get? You got it. 5. Okay, so we have to move green up 5 and whatever you're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, purple's turn. Here we go. Meow. Ooh, okay, what did purple get? 2. You're right. Okay, let's move purple 2. 1, 2. Ooh, which color is in the lead? That means they are the closest to the finish line. Purple or green? You got it. Green. Green is in the lead. Okay, let's see. It's green's turn. Oh my goodness. What? Green got a 0? Are you kidding me? Okay, green, you don't get to move. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Purple's turn. Let's see what does purple get. Ooh, purple got 3. Here we go. Let's move it. 1, 2, 3. What has happened? You're right. They're tied. They are in the same spot. Oh my goodness. This is a close race. Okay. Green's turn. Let's see what happens. Okay. Kind of landed sideways. Let's do a re-roll. Okay. Okay. Here we go. What number? Good. 2. Okay. Green gets to move 2. 1, 2. Whew. Okay. Purple's turn. Here we go. What do you get, purple? No way. What did purple get? Oh my goodness, 2. Purple got 2. Okay, let's move purple 2. 1, 2. We still have a tie. Wow. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, green's turn. Let's see what happens. Okay, green got what? 3. You're right. Okay, let's move it. 1, 2, 3. Which car won? Yep, you're right. Green was the winner. Okay, now we have to have blue versus green. Sorry, purple, get out of there. Okay, friends, if you are racing with yours, clear your board and let's get our final winners. So we're going to have green versus blue. Okay, whoever wins gets the trophy. Okay, here we go. We did this side last time, so we're going to go back to this side. Oh, but that means green will go first. Oh, well, that's where it is. Okay, here we go. Meow. Ah! What did green get? You're right, 0. Green doesn't get to move. Oh, my goodness. Okay, ready? Okay, blue's turn. Here we go. Let's roll it. Meow. Ah! Oh, my goodness. They both got zeros on their first turn? Okay, that's just wild. Okay, we're back to green now. Here we go. Ooh, okay. What number did green get? Nice. 5. 5. Okay, let's move in 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was a pretty good roll. All right, let's see what blue can do. Ooh, okay, what did blue get? Yep, you got it. 3. Okay, here, let's move this. Let's use this hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, okay. Which color is in the lead? Green or blue? You're right, green. Green is closest to the end. Okay, here we go. It's green's turn. Let's see what happens. Ooh, what number? 1. That's right, 1. Okay, green, you only get to go 1. Bloop, 1. That was it. Okay, blue's turn. Let's see, blue. Ooh, okay, what number did blue get? You got it. 4. 4. Okay, let's move 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now, which color's in the lead? Green or blue? Yep, blue is now closer to the finish line. Oh my goodness. Okay, friends, it's green's turn. Let's see what happens. Oh, it landed sideways. We got to re-roll. What number did green get? 5. You're right. 5. Okay, let's move 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. But guess what? We already made it to 10. So who is the grand ultimate winner? Green. Let's get out of here. Meow. Green. Ah! Green is the winner. Green wins the trophy. Awesome. Thank you for racing with me. And let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Woo! That was awesome. We got to practice racing those cars. Oh my goodness, it was such a tight race there at the end. I didn't know who was going to win, but it all worked out. And we had a winner. Okay, let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.